Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2020 Suzuki Swift key, which should look exactly like this. So first thing, you don't need to take your key rings off, so that's one good thing. I'm just going to show you the tools you're going to need. So you're going to need a very small screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and something sort of thin and plastic so you can actually pry it open. So first thing you're going to do, just flip it over so you've got the Suzuki badge, not the buttons, and undo this little Phillips screw just there. Take that all the way out, put it somewhere safe. Then what you're going to do is just start to slowly rotate the Suzuki badge off, and that'll expose this little black section here. So that comes out fairly easy, like so. And then what you'll notice, there's actually a little groove there. And we're going to use our thin piece of plastic, just pop it in there, give it a twist, like so, then that'll open it up. Now there's our battery just there. So if you notice, it's face up, so that means the writing will be on the bottom. And the battery type is a Panasonic CR1616, and it's 3 volts. So get your new battery, then we're just going to go ahead, pop that back in the carrier, remembering all the writing goes on the bottom, facing up. Just pop that in like so. Get the cover back on and then see the same shape, make sure that matches up. Put it in, making sure it's closed all the way around. Retrieve your key from earlier, making sure the button's going the right way around. All the way in. Then of course get your cover, flip that back in like so, making sure it's all the way down. Get your screw and your screwdriver and do that up. Then of course test your key. Perfect. There you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the battery on a 2020 Suzuki Swift key. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel.